What's going on, everyone? It's Frances with Your Book of Memories. I'm feeling a little bit crazy. Are you? Welcome back, everyone, and for all the newcomers, thank you so much. I'm specified in creating scrapbooks professionally. I am just stoked to share this with you. I have a tutorial trailer playing at the end of this walkthrough, so if you stay tuned, you'll see how my teaching style is. I've got almost 2,000 students now and a Facebook group of almost 500 of them sharing projects with each other. So I have the tutorial already for this fantastic design down in the description. I am just ecstatic because I created such an abstract situation right here using this gorgeous paper from my friend Sarah Johnson from Maryland. Thank you so much, Sarah. I love you. Fabulousness. Okay, that's exactly what you are. I hope I did it justice. The paper is divine. You'll see throughout the book I did a lot of doodles of my own and hand wrote a lot of different things here. Of course, acetate does play another part in this book, as well as that iridescent paper, Suzanne. I just love you guys. I hope you don't get tired of me shouting you guys out. But check this out, I've got chalk marker designs going on. This had a cut aparts page. Check that abstract style out. So this is the abstract folio style design. So I'm just entirely wowed myself, okay? I wowed myself, and you will absolutely wow yourself too. If you think this is something you can't do, just rub your eyes and wake up from your dream, because you can do it. I'm telling you right now. On the front right here, there's foil accents in this paper. You can have photos on the front and back here. I just doodled my own little cameras there. And you could even fit more in this front pocket if you really wanted to. You could stuff a bunch of other stuff in there. So this has got like this half door page type of dealio right here. And it opens up like this, and I'm just, wow, dazzled. I'm razzle dazzled, okay? I hand wrote that. I have a beautiful Echo Park rubber stamp Wedding Bliss camera right there. And I made like a little swing tab. I did doodle directly onto the design paper right here. And this flips up, okay? You're not flipping out, but you're flipping up. Are you flipping out? I think I'm flipping out right now. Look at this. Some more doodles. Fall in love with yourself, okay? I really, really love that, and that's exactly why I put that there. Okay, so that just swings back to keep that flap closed, and that's just brilliant. And right here we have an entirely new page design where I've got this notch going on, and you don't need any dies or any punches to achieve this look right here. We do it all with just a ruler and a pencil and some guidance. Look at this photo mat holding down this flap. I love the amazing girls there, and I'm just in love with the journaling pen and the chalk marker accents. Okay, this opens up, and there's more picture space inside here. You can hold about 40 photos in here. Look at that amazing paper. Okay, are you seeing this? That's the whole pocket layout right there. Unbelievable. We have pocket space on the front as well as this large one on the back. So some more doodles there. And that just tucks back in here, and you can fit way more things in here. 40 plus photos, maybe even 50 can fit in here. And this is so awesome. It came together in just one day for me, and that's a magnetic closure. So beautiful. And it's actually a double-sided situation. So right when you thought we were done, we're not, because we got more pockets right here. Okay, it's amazing. Look at this. This is something you can do. If you've never made one of these books before, this is a folio because we're building off the base chipboard pieces, okay? All the books that I create all have chipboard now. Look at that beautiful design, okay? We gotta show off that plastic because it's there. It is 100% there. A beautiful rounded corner, angle-styled pocket, and some fussy cutting and wacky little doodles here and there. Picture space for days. Hustle. Okay, we all have to hustle at some point in our life, right? Okay. Beautiful little camera stamp on the back. Do your best every day. Absolutely. I'm just thrilled with the way this turned out. You can use any paper that you'd like on this. Be different. That's exactly what I did. I went nuts on squiggling whatever I wanted on there, okay? And you could do the exact same thing if you wanted. Here, this is a beautiful little insert. Go big. an iridescent tab. And here is this beautiful magnetized, unbelievable clear acetate pouch. And I'm having a blast right now. I hand wrote that. I have some elements in here, and you can fit 4x6 photos loose in here. So I was thinking of a design to where you can just throw a bunch of photos of wherever it was that you went. And if you didn't want to organize it yet, you could just put all the 4x6s in here. And you can fit like 20. You could fit some here and here. Landscape, tons can fit in here. This is a gusseted style pocket. So we got space, okay? Like it's nobody's business. And I did some crazy doodles on the back of this. And I cut around all of this, and I had an absolute fantastic blast when I did that, okay? I mean, my house almost just fell apart. I was having so much fun. There was paper everywhere. Everything was going good. I had so much fun filming the tutorial for this, and that brings you to the back. So it's a super unique design. It's something that you can learn, and you will absolutely surprise yourself. So thank you so much for joining me for this quick project share. This is my newest design, Abstract Folio. I'll leave it as a link down below on my website, as well as a tutorial trailer we'll be playing next, and I cannot wait to see what you create. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Hi friend, thank you so much for joining me here. Welcome to the Abstract Folio tutorial. It's a trippy yet simple smashy style scrapbook. My scoreboard sidekick is always the Fiskars paper trimmer. It's super easy to store, it's lightweight and portable. Some sort of journaling pen, which is totally optional. Definitely the Martha Stewart bone folder. Some score tape, name brand, 1/4 inch and 3/8. I also like to use heavyweight Paper Studio cardstock 8.5 by 11 from Hobby Lobby. So the paper line is from Craft Smart. Some foil accented, sprinkle paper again. Oh my goodness, florals, botanicals. Oh, we have a nice 6x6 layout right there. Remember, this is your book. You do what you want. I'm simply here to show you how to do it. The way you do it is completely up to you. Pulling it in and flattening it out. Let's go ahead and cut out one piece 2 3/4 by 8 1/8. Let's go ahead and line this one up with the 7-inch side along the top at 1/2 inch. Look how easy this is. You're doing it. So you'll notice there's a bumpy side, and then you'll notice there's a dented side. I always stick the tape here. Not really in here unless stated otherwise. 99.9% of the time, I'm right at the top. Just go from the score mark and cut outward. And now I'm going to mark 5/8 up onto that line. And I'm going to do a crosshair. Make sure your left edge is nice and lined up. Place your thumb there. F, 2 pieces, 3 1/16 by 4 1/4. So I'm going to go 1/8 of an inch border, top, bottom, and sides right here. And once you chop that off, this is the piece that you're left with. And then for this one,